Hi, I'm Gene Wong, CEO of People Power. Did you know that in the last 50 years, CO2 levels have shot up to levels unprecedented in the last 400,000 years, as this video from NASA shows? And for 400,000 years, whenever CO2 has gone up, ice has melted, oceans rose, temperatures rose, coastlines flooded, and continents shrunk. So who is the bad guy? Who is responsible for using the most energy in the United States, the most imported oil, and the most carbon pollution? Well, the bad guy is waste heat. And we can beat the war on climate change and take down this bad guy if we all work together on energy efficiency. We have the power as individuals to make small changes that add up to a huge difference. If the typical U.S. home unplugged all of their discretionary appliances for 8 hours a day, say from 11 p.m. to 7 a.m. every day for a year, they would take 6,700 pounds of carbon pollution out of the air. This is like taking 250 cars off the road. Now, if every house in America were to do that, collectively the U.S. would save about $10 billion a year and reduce carbon pollution by 850 billion pounds. So, Unplug for Earth Day on Facebook and save the Earth. Thank you.